Hello, kindergartners and kindergarten families. You guys are the class of 2033, and I'm going to be your kindergarten teacher. My name is Ms. Ruzicska. I can't wait to meet each and every one of you. So let's start our kindergarten classroom journey.
Welcome to kindergarten. Whether you're coming to school or staying home and learning virtually, you're a part of room 6. Here's our classroom. It's bright and cheery. Some of you will be sitting in low chairs on the ground and some of you will be sitting in regular chairs. And later on, we'll have more flexible seating, even yoga balls. We'll be learning our letters and letter sounds and numbers and counting. There's our mailboxes and our painting easels. Soon, all your beautiful work will be hanging all over our walls, decorating our room. Here's our family board. Be sure to bring a picture of your family so we can hang it there. This is our STEAM game area, our creation station. Science, technology, engineering, art, and math. So much fun. Our play area has lots of games, toys, and a kitchen. Of course, we'll play outside as often as we can. I love reading, so we'll be reading lots of stories every day. Soon you'll be reading your own stories at your level. And you'll be writing your own stories in your journal. We'll be using math manipulatives and games for learning about numbers. Here's our carpet area where we'll sit spread apart. This is our daily agenda where we'll know what's happening next. This is our daily calendar. Our morning message helps us learn to read and write. We can do lots of activities on our smart board. We will have a morning snack and an afternoon snack. However, you must provide your own snacks. They must be individually wrapped and nothing juicy or too sweet. Each child will have their own pencil box for all their own personal supplies. Many notes will be going home the first week. Please fill out and return as soon as possible. When it's your birthday, you can donate a book or game to our classroom, or give out trinkets to each student. We will no longer be having birthday food items. The children can buy lunch or bring their own. We will be cleaning our hands often. Both children and staff will wear masks all day. Throughout the day, we will also sanitize often. The library has many books to enjoy. It even has computers. Our classroom has 2 desktops and 5 iPads for learning activities.
We truly are going to have a lot of fun this year. And we're going to have a lot of fun learning so many things. Reading, writing, math, science, social studies, everything. It's going to be a blast. And again, I can't wait to meet each and every one of you. Thanks for coming on our kindergarten journey, and I'll see you September 14th.